Good news is Budget Marine has a lot of the stuff that I know I'm gonna need for our big to-do list we announced yesterday. So they have a brush kit for the Windlass, which I'm gonna pick up today because tomorrow they're closed. And I think that I'd like to have those just to try them out because it's probably the brushes that have gone bad. They also have washdown pumps, sump pumps, toilet parts, a lot of the things I need for my most pressing issues, which is good. Weird thing is, you have to have your ship's documents with you or else you pay 40% more. So I'm going back to the boat to get my documents. So not a bad thing, but just something to know.
I group people come together. Big down, that'll be real funny.
Alrighty, so fast forward. The brushes were acquired. I'll put on the screen how much they were, but they were damn expensive for some little pieces of wiring. I just left the gym and I found this place. Anro Agencies. Over there is the entrance for their parts department. They're closed today. I didn't know that they existed, but I just kind of saw them walking back. But this is interesting. Check this out. Perkins. That is the type of engine I have. I have a Perkins 4236. So I'm gonna go see them when they're open, see what kind of engine parts they have, because one of the things I need to do is get some fuel lines, get some filters, get some gaskets, all those things. I want to do all my work myself, but I'm not letting other people touch my engine. But if I can get some parts, that'd be nice. Headed back to the boat, we're gonna go see Charlie, see about getting into this Windlass. But also, Charlie hasn't been off the boat for a while, so I might take him for a walk, a little walkabout. You know what I mean?
A few moments later.
All right, it never ends. Look, that was our swing. We were good for the longest time, but we've drug while I was gone. This happened, and look where we are. Charlie, hush. That is shallows, that's rocks. So, okay, firing up now. I really feel like I can't catch a break, guys. Jesus Christ. I guess I'm pulling up the anchor by hand and re-anchoring. I have the brushes, but I'm not going to waste the time to try to do that when we are in this position. So, re-anchor by hand and worry about the brushes. Lord help me. What's your name?
Adrian.
Chase. Thank you so much, Adrian. God, I'm excited. There's a lot of chain.
Yeah.
I saw some mooring balls up here earlier today.
Die meinten eine Boje nehmen und die nicht reserviert ist. Und dann soll er da hinkommen, seine Adresse, Bootsnamen hinterlassen und die würden wir Hafenbuch holen.
Also sollten wir von der Boje weg.
Again, I really appreciate the help. Thank you.
Really? On the sailors, that's normal.
Yeah.
Should be.
Yeah, I like to help people, but it's nice to have it reciprocated. Oh my God, I've hurt myself.
Liga direkt der Fuß, also direkt in Windrichtung. Und da ist eine frei. Da ist auch kein Reserviertschild dran. Ziemlich zum Ende durch. Da ist eine mit blauen Ring, da ist kein Zeichen drauf.
Okay. There's one right through. Follow him and check.
Yeah, we have to get there, so.
Dar, you stay here, I take the ball? Yes.
Yep. Oh my God. Oh, I see it both sides, yeah. I'm going slow because I'm nervous about the shoals. Okay, that sucked. Debrief. The boat sat still on anchor for a day and a half. It's sand bottom, mud bottom here, and seemed to be good holding. I had a lot of chain out. And we were fine. And then I went to go get the brushes and went to the gym, and I had like a 2.5 hour monster leg workout. So then hobbled back to the dinghy, and perfect timing. Noticed that the boat had drug. We drug about 150 feet while I was gone. And we were in 10 feet of water. So only 4 feet to spare. Almost on the rocks. So panicked a bit. And knew that I needed to re-anchor and get the chain up. So started pull the chain by hand. I didn't feel like I had time to do the redneck anchor windlass thing that I did the other day. And I think because I was already exhausted from the gym and struggling, threw my back out. The wake and the wind was pretty heavy out there, so I was running back and forth to put the boat in gear to try to keep us off the rocks and relieve tension from the chain, and then would just fight it to get a couple feet. So finally, two nice guys from Switzerland saw that I was struggling and came over to help me, and we moved on to one mooring ball that said on it that it was private. So then we moved on to another mooring ball. The marina that controls these mooring balls is closed right now. And so I'm about to go over to the marina and leave my name and number on the security office door so that they know to call me in the morning and understand the situation. Hopefully they let me stay. During the process, I threw out my back. So I have herniated a disc in my back before doing construction work, and it feels like that now. So I don't know if I've bulged a disc in my back or what. I also am concerned that I may have a hernia. I literally can't even stand up straight. You probably saw in the video. I just took a bunch of ibuprofen. I'm sitting here icing right now, but... So yeah, I'm getting my butt kicked, guys. I'm getting my butt swiftly kicked. But blessings to focus on. I came back in time. The boat wasn't on the rocks. And again, close call, but the Lord gave me some leniency, and it's a blessing. I had a blessing of 2 guys coming to help me. I had a blessing that there was 1 mooring ball available. So I keep having these close calls, you know, of like things almost going really bad. And yeah, it would be so easy for me to focus on the fact that things went wrong and that I'm hurt and I'm struggling to walk at the moment and in a bunch of pain and all these things. I could focus on that, but instead I choose to focus on the fact that it could have been a lot worse. So I'm going to continue to ice my back and lay down, and I'll update you guys when I can. Oh man. Okay, update. I can still barely walk. I'm sitting here icing. But people who you guys know, probably, Billy and Sierra from Tula's Endless Summer and Lauren Landers just came by and dropped this off. Muscle relaxer cream. They're all going out tonight for dinner, and I have so much FOMO. I want to go so bad. But I'm just going to sit here and relax. And I also think that I'm going to end this video in closing. Down but never out. And I'm part of the best community in the world. The sailing community and the creator community looks out for each other, and lots of people came to my aid today. I love you guys. Shh. On the fact that Charlie, I know you want food, but I am not okay right now. Relax.